This video shows how to operate the dual-fuel EYG6500iN generator using LPG. Take the LPG hose from the accessory kit and connect the cylinder, ensuring all connections are sealed. Open the LPG valve. Turn the fuel switch to on, and turn on the engine switch. Start the engine using either the recoil starter or push-button starter hold for 3 seconds. You can switch the operating mode based on your power usage requirements. Press the Eco switch button on the control panel to switch between Eco mode and Power mode. After use, turn the fuel switch to OFF, set the engine switch to OFF, and close the LPG valve to shut down the generator.